Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are bringing simple to your dinner. We are doing one meatball, two ways. Yes, people, that's two balls for the price of one.
We are going to start by making the meatballs. So, are you ready to get
I'm
rolling?
ready to roll the meat.
Okay. We have a pound and a half of meat in there.
Ground beef.
Ground beef. So to that we're going to add all of our ingredients, really simple and fast. So we have fresh breadcrumbs.
Fresh breadcrumbs, check.
Add the egg, milk. It's going to add a lot of moisture to your meatballs.
Because no one likes dry balls.
Oregano.
Oregano.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Flat leaf parsley, chopped up.
Italian flat leaf parsley.
And salt and pepper. Mix her up. So when mixing meatballs, try not to over mix your meat. You don't want to make the meat warm.
Don't over mix your meat. What?
You can start rolling.
This size, good?
About a tablespoon and a half we're going to do. That's a little big. You're going to bake them in a 400-degree oven, 8 to 10 minutes, and flip them, and then another 8 to 10 minutes.
What's great about this is you don't have to deep fry your meatballs, which most meatballs are, right?
Or they do them in a pan. This way there's no sticking. They bake.
No fuss, no muss.
No fuss. And then we're going to start making our sauces. So we're going to start with a teriyaki sauce. Again, everything in one pot, really quick and simple. So we're going to add water, brown sugar, soy sauce.
How are my meatballs looking?
You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Ground ginger, garlic powder, a little bit of sesame oil, and we have cornstarch mixed with some water. This will go on the stove and simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. While the teriyaki sauce is simmering, we're going to get our barbecue sauce going, and we have ketchup, brown sugar, yellow mustard, honey, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce. Can you spell that?
I knew. It's Worcestershire.
When I'm done.
Wait.
Paprika.
W-O-R.
Salt and pepper. This is also going to go on the stove and simmer for 5 minutes.
W-O-R. Worcestershire. That is a noun, a proper noun. Can I get the meaning, please? W-O-R-S-C-H. And there you have it. 2 sauces, 1 meatball. Dinner for everyone. Or an appetizer. Serve it with rice, noodles, or on a toothpick. How do you like that?
For all these recipes, see below.
Press like, press subscribe, and for more delicious weeknight meals, check us out at bitememore.com. W-O-R
For
C-E-S-T.
Oh, we're spelling again.
S-H-I-R-E, Worcestershire sauce.
Good job.
I feel it should be said like that, Worcestershire.